Welcome back to Oak Brothers Garage. Now we are here in our workshop and we will begin the second step of engine assembling. If you didn't check the first step, so link down below, go and check out the first step of engine assembling. So now we will begin our assembling process, but first, as I told you in the 5th episode, that I received the Pelican Parts parcel from the United States, thanks to my friend's brother who lives there. So now we will check it out what we have here from the Pelican, and we will get back to engine assembling after that. Let's start with the first boxes from Pelican Parts. This one is the distributor cap, as you can see. So I ordered this actually new from Pelican. Looks damn good. Spark plug wires in this box. KN filter, which actually is washable, so you can wash it and use it as the new one. And in the last box we have a timing belt kit from Continental with all the rollers. A great kit looks like. What else we have here? Distributor cap gasket, plug wires, separators, badge for key, and that's it for the parts. Here we can see a valve cover after the powder coating. I think the yellow one will look great. Now just finished cleaning from the glue which was left after powder coating. I masked all parts which don't need to be painted in yellow by aluminum tape. I will machine the Porsche sign on the valve cover. Also I have oil pan painted in yellow. I think this will look good. Example, I choose this engine. We are probably ready to install the oil pan on the engine block. So now I am applying a gasket sealer. From Edgar's valve cover after machining. So now I have machined letters. It looks damn good. Engine is on an engine stand. Now we will install the studs, and then we will start assembling the top of the engine, balance shafts and all the parts which we need to put it on. Just masked all the engine, so now I'm ready to put a clear coat on it on the block, because the block and the head of the block was only the parts which was without the clear coat. So now we are building a local garage paint booth, and we'll see how it could work for us. We will end the second episode of engine assembling here, because now we are hitting the issue with the balance shafts. As you can see, the balance shafts is removed now. When we assembled them, we tried to spin them. They didn't spin at all at the first time. Then we grabbed them with the pliers, tried, and they was spinning, but really hard. So we decided to disassemble, check all the stuff inside, check the bearings, what's happened, why they are not spinning. So the balance shafts are probably the last thing that we need to put. That's why we can put all the front for the engine. So I think we will end here. So guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next episodes.